With the new Bentley Flying Spur comes the ultimate example of a handcrafted interior, presenting the world's most sophisticated and luxuriously stitched cabin. As all 350 unique leather pieces are adorned to 60 bespoke components using over 3 kilometers of thread to make up a complete Flying Spur interior. Each passes through the hands of 141 Bentley craftspeople. A minimum of 5 months training under Bentley's master trainers is essential in order to reach the utmost level of ability and to learn the vast array of techniques required to craft Bentley's interiors to the highest of standards. All leather hides found in the interior of the Flying Spur remain sustainably sourced from northern European bulls, entirely as byproducts of the meat industry. More temperate climate zones ensure there are fewer parasites and the leather remains naturally blemish-free. Bentley customers have the luxury of choosing from as many as 14 interior leather hide colors.